Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set reduce white point in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Now scroll down, locate and click on display and text size. Now scroll down again until you get to reduce white point and click on that. Once you click on reduce white point, you should see the level of your white point. So you can reduce this to 0, you can increase this to 100%, or just set this to 50%. And that is going to turn on reduce white point on your iPhone. Now to gain quick access to the white point, scroll down the control center, press on code controls, click on add a control, then come here and search for reduce white point. Then click on reduce white point to add it to your control center. Now when next you want to use the reduce white point, all you simply need to do is come here, click on it once to enable reduce white point, click on it again to turn it off. So that's it. That's exactly how to set reduce white point in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.